Think your iPhone is real? There are a few quick checks you can do to make sure it's a genuine Apple device. Here's how. First, open the Settings app. Tap General, then select About. Look for the model number and serial number. If either of these is missing or looks unusual, that's already a warning sign. Next, copy the serial number, open a web browser, and go to Apple's Check Coverage page. Enter the serial number to verify whether Apple recognizes your device. If Apple can't find it, your iPhone could be counterfeit, or the serial number may have been altered. Another easy check is the App Store. A real iPhone only uses Apple's App Store. If your phone has the Google Play Store or lets you install Android apps, it's definitely not a genuine iPhone. You should also test features like Face ID, Apple Pay, and iCloud. Fake iPhones often copy the appearance of iOS, but don't support these Apple services properly. Finally, check the build quality. Real iPhones have premium materials, smooth animations, and high-quality displays. If the software feels laggy, menus look different, or the phone behaves strangely, it may not be authentic. And that's it. These simple checks can help you quickly determine whether your iPhone is genuine.